Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Android Predictive Back Gesture. So let's get straight into the video. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your settings and then go inside of your displays. Once you've done that, you want to scroll all the way down until you find the navigation bar. Then you want to simply go ahead and look for swipe gestures. If you don't find it, you can simply go ahead and head to the search bar and search for swipe gesture. Once you simply go ahead and find the setting, you can simply go ahead and turn it on. If you don't find it on your Samsung Galaxy, you might need to simply go ahead and head into your search. Go to advanced features on your settings. And once you're in here, tap on labs. And finally, you want to simply go ahead and click on back swipe preview and toggle that on down over here. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.